I'm a keen Honda enthusiast, and here we have a 2006 CR125. This has been a full ground up rebuild, stripped right down to the last nut and bolt and rebuilt. Now I'm just going to run around the bike and show you what we've done to it. Starting with the engine, this is a full OEM rebuild, so it's got an OEM Honda crank. We replace all gears that are required to be replaced. The cases have been vapor blasted and also been port matched to the cylinder. Now the cylinder is a new cylinder, and that's been ported and polished with a brand new cylinder head. We've got silicon radiator hoses, GPI radiators, new coil sitting in there, new kickstarter. It's got a brand new Wisco clutch basket and brand new OEM fibres and friction discs have been installed. As you can see, nothing was left out. The rear caliper has been rebuilt. New seals and new piston. We're running a FMF shorty in the rear with a pro circuit expansion chamber. The rear shock has been fully reconditioned. It's an OEM shock sitting in there. Brand new airbox, air boot, and we're running a PWK KN air striker, jetted accordingly for the bike, and also V-force reeds. Up front in the suspension package we have 47mm shower forks. These have been reconditioned. SKF seals. We've got a braided brake hose up front and also braided brake hose at the rear. Got ARC composite front brake lever, ARC clutch perch, composite lever, Renthal twin wall bars. Okay, let's start her up. You can hear how she sounds. She's just off cold. The beauty of the KN air striker, no foul plugs, and no worries about jetting like you have with the Vapour car. There we have it, the 2006 CR125. It is for sale. Feel free to give us a call, 021 60 5594. Thanks for viewing.